Cleaning and disinfecting is a high priority for the custodial staff as the students return to school. Earlier this year, we've purchased additional equipment and provided training for our custodians to quickly disinfect surfaces multiple times throughout the day. We will be touching the bathrooms several times a day and also high-touch surfaces around the building. In addition to custodial staff cleaning frequently, we've provided the teachers with additional cleaning disinfectants and materials so they can do high-touch surfaces throughout the day as students are in the classroom. In the evenings, we will be doing additional cleaning and disinfecting with some of the tools that I mentioned before. One of those tools is an electrostatic sprayer and then also a high-volume sprayer. The reason for those is we can apply disinfectant very quickly and efficiently, which will let us cover a large area with the limited staff that we have. As we said before, shared materials will be limited, and to that end, what we'd like to do is make sure that we provide a safe environment as possible. We're only going to encourage the students to use the water bottle filling stations, and where at all possible, the water fountains will be turned off. For our outside equipment, we will be applying a biostatic product. This product will provide 90 to 120 days protection from viruses and bacteria. It will actually limit the growth of the viruses on surfaces. We're also looking to do some of the common play equipment such as balls and hula hoops and cones and things of that nature to provide an additional layer of protection for our students.
We will continue to update our safety protocols as needed in accordance with the CDC and Virginia Department of Health guidance. While our mitigation efforts will go a long way towards keeping our students and staff safe, the best way to minimize the spread of COVID-19 or any other virus is to stay home when you're sick. Thank you for your continued support.